think that many pianists stop playing the piano because they're bored and they don't have a lot of sheet music lying around that they're excited to practice. That's why I wanted to create this video and let every pianist know about the Tomplay app. I've been using it for over a year now, and I can honestly say that I lose track of time at night when I'm practicing with it, and I feel a renewed passion for practicing. I'm a classically trained pianist and a piano teacher, and I usually practice really difficult classical pieces, but sometimes I want to play just for enjoyment, and I want to play easier, new age, popular pieces. And I love that I can just jump on the Tomplay app and browse through thousands of famous songs, listen to samples, select the right level of difficulty, and download the sheet music. What first got me hooked is the beautiful background music. So you can play duets with a cello, a violin, and full orchestra. But one of the best features, I think, is that it's designed for all pianists. So you can search thousands of famous songs in every genre, and then each arrangement has different levels. So you can choose your level. If you're a beginner or more advanced, there's music for everyone. I am an affiliate of Tomplay, but only because I genuinely love this app and I use it myself. And I believe it's a game changer for pianists in keeping your motivation up to practice. So I have a code for you in the description. It's 30% off, but I'm not here to make a sell. I really want to just show you how the app works and why it's worth giving it a try. Tomplay works on pretty much any device, so your phone, tablet, computer, and with a premium subscription, you get access to the sheet music of over 100,000 famous songs across genres, so classical, pop, TV and film, all of it. And they've recently added some practice features that make learning new pieces easier. So if you're looking for some new music that will get you excited about practicing again, or you're shopping for a pianist, stay with me and I'll quickly walk you through some of the best features. Now let's quickly look at how Tomplay is organized. When you tap Discover, you can browse music by category: classical, pop, film music, jazz, etc. If you have something specific in mind, use the search bar and filter by instrument, genre, or difficulty level. This is super helpful for finding pieces at your level. So under classical, I click on intermediate, and I found Tchaikovsky's Swan Lake, and Tomplay offers it in 7 difficulty levels. So if the original version is too hard, you can preview easier arrangements and pick one that suits you. Even if you choose a beginner-friendly level, you'll still sound amazing because you have that full orchestra accompaniment behind you. Now here's some really cool features of the app. You can adjust the tempo, so slow down the tempo with a simple slider. There's a section loop and navigation. So pause the score, drag the red cursor to replay any section, and you can loop tricky areas. If the red cursor distracts you, you can turn it off in settings. There's automatic page turning. Tomplay scrolls or flips pages for you at the right time. No page turning interruptions. You can film yourself or record audio directly in the app. Add fingerings, highlights, and notes in various colors. Most scores already include good fingerings. You can play with or without accompaniment. So you can mute the piano track and play only with the orchestra, or mute the orchestra and play solo. A recent update lets you change arrangements directly from the score. You can instantly switch to another version of the piece or view more arrangements. There are some new practice modes that are in beta testing. They're extremely useful and improving quickly. So wait mode, the accompaniment waits for you to play the correct notes. It won't move forward until you do. In Smart Page Turn mode, Tomplay listens to your playing and turns pages automatically at the right time. In the settings, you can turn on the note letters, but I don't recommend that if you're trying to improve your sight reading. You can zoom in and out with pinch gestures, fit the score to the screen, and manually swipe pages if you prefer. Hopefully I've inspired you to give Tomplay a try. Grab your 30% discount with the link in the description below with our code and start enjoying your practice sessions again. The code is only valid till the end of this year. Let me know what you think about the app if you give it a try. If you want more ideas on how to keep your motivation up to practice the piano, check out this next video of mine where I talk about 8 common motivation killers and how to overcome them.